Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'm going to be sharing my review of Glisten Glow's Glitter Grabber, which is meant to help smooth out any texture from glitter polishes. And before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Indie Swatch. I picked up the Glitter Grabber along with a couple other shades from Glisten Glow with my giveaway prize from one of Indie Swatch's giveaways, so be sure to check them out and I will leave some links in the description below. And for this test, I'm going to be using China Glaze's Razzle Me Dazzle Me, which is a super fun glitter polish. It's got some small, medium, large, and extra large black and silver hex glitters, as well as some black bar glitters, and it definitely dries textured, so this is perfect for this test. And I'm going to be applying 2 coats to my nails and letting that dry completely. It looks pretty shiny right after you apply it, but once it's completely dry, you definitely see a lot of texture. So here are 2 coats of Razzle Me Dazzle Me on its own. And with all of those chunky glitters, the light doesn't reflect super smoothly off the nail, and you can definitely feel all of that texture with your fingers. So now I'm going to compare what this glitter polish looks like on its own with a top coat and how it looks with the Glitter Grabber. Here I applied 1 coat of a fast drying glossy top coat, and this one is Out the Door from I&M Nails. So here's a side by side. On the left is no top coat and on the right is just 1 coat of a fast drying top coat, and you can kind of see that it adds a little bit more shine, but it definitely still has that texture peeking through. Moving on to the next nail for comparison, this is the nail that I'm going to use the Glitter Grabber on. So here's what it looks like before the Glitter Grabber, and then I'll apply 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber on top. So on the left is the glitter polish on its own, and on the right is a glitter polish with 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber, and I think it does a pretty good job at smoothing out that texture. And here I'm comparing it to the nail that has 1 coat of a top coat over the glitter polish on the left, and on the right is the glitter polish with 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber, and I think you can see that the Glitter Grabber does a better job at smoothing out that texture. In this shot, the first nail has no top coat, the second nail has 1 coat of a regular top coat over the glitter polish, the third nail has 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber over the glitter polish, and the fourth nail has no top coat. The second nail with 1 coat of a top coat is definitely a little shinier and smoother than the nails that don't have a top coat, but not as shiny as the nail with 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber. And onto the next coat. This is my second nail, and I'm applying my second coat of the regular top coat, and here's the comparison. On the left is the glitter polish with 1 coat of the top coat, and on the right are 2 coats of the top coat, and it definitely adds more shine and smoothness, though I can still feel just a tiny bit of texture with my fingers. I thought this was a pretty interesting comparison. On the left is 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber, and on the right are 2 coats of the regular top coat, and I feel like these are pretty comparable, but I think the Glitter Grabber still had a smoother finish than the 2 coats of top coat. And on my third nail, I have 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber already on, and I'm applying 1 coat of the same regular top coat on top. On the left is 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber, and on the right is 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber plus 1 coat of the top coat, and honestly these two look pretty similar. I don't feel like that layer of top coat added that much shine or smoothness compared to just 1 single layer of the Glitter Grabber. I feel like the Glitter Grabber on its own did a really good job compared to no top coat or compared to 1 coat of a regular top coat. So in this shot we have no top coat on the first nail, 2 coats of a regular top coat on the second nail, 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber and 1 coat of a regular top coat on the third nail, and no top coat on the fourth nail. And before the Glitter Grabber, I would probably just stop at 2 coats of top coat because I feel like 3 is a little bit much, and it is still pretty shiny and smooth. But now that I have the Glitter Grabber and I compared it side by side, and I'd say that the Glitter Grabber does a better job at smoothing out all that texture from the glitters. And one final comparison with photos. The top picture is a before picture with no top coat on any of the nails, and on the bottom we've got the first nail with no top coat, the second nail has 2 coats of a regular top coat, the third nail has 1 coat of the Glitter Grabber and 1 coat of a regular top coat, and the fourth nail has no top coat. So there's my review of the Glisten Glow Glitter Grabber along with some comparisons with regular top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave some links down in the description box below to where you can purchase this product on the Glisten Glow website. And if you missed my last Glisten Glow swatch video, you can click the video on your screen or down below. But anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye!